Okay, if you really, really want to create income in your music, and if it's your film or whatever you're trying to do, what you're gonna have to first learn how to do is bring your costs down. And one of the easiest ways to do that, and I'm not talking something that I haven't done myself, as you see me here rapping and doing my song in my own film studio. Now, it's not a gigantic film studio, it's not Universal or something like that, but it's enabling me to keep my costs down because this film studio is at my house. So it's in my backyard. We built this in my backyard. And so I have a green screen studio here. I have about 7 different sets that is here that I can use. And this brings my costs down tremendously because you're gonna have to be able to create content. And if the content doesn't work and you don't get paid from that content, you don't want to have a high price that you had to pay to create it. So that's what I would tell anybody that's in music or in film. You need your own set. Even if you have to take a room in your home or your apartment and block it off. If you're renting an apartment and you're only one person, you should be renting a 2 bedroom rather than a 1 bedroom, because you could take that 1 bedroom and you can transform it and change it and make it to what you need. So that's my advice to any creator out there. You're gonna have to start with the way you create the content and to bring your price down. As you can see in this studio, I even got like a little dressing room right there to the right. The green screen is perfect. I can be in any set I want. It's just magnificent. So think about your needs and what you need in your studio to make it work for you. Okay, now, one of the next power moves that you can make to boost up your acting or music career or whatever you're doing is, it may be something fearful for you. And by the way, you're watching me act with another young lady named Saraphia Ray, and she's an actress, and I'm Smokee Whine. But anyway, I promise I will let you hear some of the acting and some of the from this film called Knuckles, a hip hop musical that I did. But I wanted to tell you that another way you can create a power move for yourself and for others around you and help them as well is you're going to have to learn how to become a content creator and join with other creators to make something happen. You can no longer depend on some big studio to hire you and put you on and make you a lead character. Um, Sometimes you're going to have to create some content on your own. Now, at this time when I did this film, I had started selling my CDs and my books on the streets and out the trunk. And I kept doing that, and I saved up enough money to buy some film equipment. At this time, I just bought different things like DSLR cameras, some lights, I bought mics. I wanted to do a film. And so I found a lot of actors and actresses and musicians, and I got them all together to do a film. At the time, I couldn't pay them anything to do the film, but if the film would have done well, then they would have gotten paid. Now, this film, Knuckles, the hip hop musical, it did get some film awards, some, from film festivals, and it got them some recognition, but it did not get them, $1 million. But it was something that they used. Some of these actors in this film, they used this to catapult to get something better because they was in a film that was reputable and we won a film festival award. So, you know, and also for me, I didn't get paid from it. I spent money from it, but it helped me to gain recognition and to gain credibility to know that, hey, I can do a film. I can let someone else know I can do a film. Now I have a lot more equipment. I got, cinema cameras and lots of different things, my own smaller film studio like you seen earlier. A lot of things have changed, but I had to learn how to organize myself and be able to become a liaison to others to help others. So that will be the next power move that you can make, is to put together some type of extravagant content where you connect with others.
So how do you suppose you're gonna get out of this fight with that pipeline guy?
Babe, I'm gonna get out of this fight.
Yeah, but you said he had connections. You said it.
And you said you was gonna trust me and you believed in me, right?
Yeah, and I do trust you. I'm worried about you. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Come on now, nothing's gonna happen to me. I'm undefeated, right? Come on now. I mean, look, I'm undefeated and he needs me, right?
And maybe that's the problem. He needs you. Think about it. If you were to lose, he wouldn't need a loser half as much as he needs you. The reason he needs you as much as he does is because you keep winning. If you were to lose, you would have time to open those rec centers and get involved in your music career and have time for me. Just think about it, please.
Yeah, but nobody wants a losing fighter. I mean, that.
Exactly, including Pipeline. Just think about it, please.
Okay, another power move that you can make is real simple, but a lot of people don't think about it. But it's really filming random things, especially when you go out of town or you go somewhere special. You should be filming, and you should also, if you have a business and you're doing filming and you go out of town, then that's gonna be a write-off. So I always film different things everywhere I go, just about, and it's used as a tax write-off because hey, I'm in the desert right now and you see me and I'm filming, but we had a good time, going to California and traveling to New York. We traveled all over the country and I filmed everywhere that we traveled. And I used that as a tax write-off because I'm doing business when I'm filming. You write off different things, your food, your clothes, all these different things, your gas, you get to write it all off because you turn your vacation time into a business trip. So that's one of the power moves that I could say that you can make. The third power move is just filming at random. Take out your phone sometimes and get some footage and film something that you can use. A lot of times I film things and I don't even know what I'm going to use it for until after the fact when I think of an idea to do a video. So when I filmed this footage in the desert, I knew that I probably would use it for a music video, but I haven't used it yet. I haven't used it yet, but I'm using it now in this talkover. So it's a lot of things you can do when you just think outside of the box, and this is one of the ways, and a very good power move. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and tell your friends about what's going on. Make sure you connect with me. Like you've been seeing on the screen about the blueprint. Make sure you check out the blueprint. It's a book that I wrote about the independent music game, and how to really gain power in that. So check out that. Maybe I'll come up with some resources for actors as well. But the tools that come with this blueprint, they are good for not only music artists but also for actors. So it's a lot of good tools, things to make like one sheets and bios and different things like that. And also showing you my connections with how you get billboards for cheap and lots of different things that's going to help you along your journey. So I would suggest you make sure you get the book that's on the link or that you've been seeing at the bottom of the screen. I appreciate you. I see you next time. And subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps out the channel and helps more people find out what I'm doing. All right, see you next time.